you are hot stuff, and those that have tried to compete with you in the past have quite simply given up. They're tired. You know, for some of you, these individuals feel like there's no point. Every time they try and keep up with you, you always shock them with a new style, with a new holiday that you've gone to, with a new job, with a new car, whatever the case is. But some people are laying down their baton. Some people are admitting defeat. You know, some of these individuals were actual fans, but some of these individuals, I feel, are now learning from you. They're now seeing that, you know what, instead of trying to come up against my TikTok family member, it's best that I just turn my attention onto myself and, you know, focus on being the best version of me and focus on my own life. Because I feel like you lead by example, and your energy was never meant to upset anyone. It was meant to inspire and to empower. And you always lead with your heart. So even in the face of adversary, you always have faith that you will overcome whatever you are encountering. And some of you know when someone is, you know, not meaning you well. And there's two things that you may have done. You may have walked away from these individuals, or you may have just shone even brighter. For some of you, actually, there's three things. You may have shone even brighter, walked away, and still glowed, still continue to glow. Because for some of you, these energies were thrown at you as a way to slow you down, you know. And if anything, it should teach you, TikTok fam, that if it takes a lot of people, because in the Five of Wands, there's five people that are battling, right? This is a competitive card. If it took 5 or more people to try and come up against one person, then surely that one person must be powerful. You know, 5 is a number of change. So there are going to be some changes in regards to those individuals that try to defeat you. However, there are some people that will try and continue that one-sided beef. But these people are unhappy, and it's best not to engage in their misery. You know, these individuals feel like if they can just beat you, it will give them that little sense of satisfaction. But their life will still remain. Their life will still be the same. But again, the more they try to outsmart you, the more they try to come up against you, you're onto a new timeline. And one of the reasons why they feel the need to be in this energy to try and defeat you is because you are a big deal. Whether or not they want to admit it, you are a big deal. You know, there are many people that feel as if they cannot shine with you around, and that's not true, because everyone has gifts and attributes that are amazing. But you may trigger something inside of these individuals, and I feel like what you do actually trigger is the fact that they are not at peace with themselves, and seeing you being in your power, being satisfied with what you got, not knowing that maybe beneath the scenes, or beneath the surface I should say, and behind the scenes, there's a lot going on, but you don't wear your distress on your face, or you don't talk about what you are going through to these individuals. You don't share your problems. You solve your problems behind the scenes, but these individuals may feel like you have everything under control. Life is easy for you. These individuals could also be very upset that you gain a lot of admirers as well. You know, these types of individuals, they seek out a lot of outside validation. Yes, it's nice to gain compliments, etc., for your work, for an outfit, for how you look, etc., especially if you put effort into these things. But it's not the be all and end all, and you know that. But these individuals feel like you're always getting praise, you're always getting attention, you know, and they feel as if it's never the case with them. They have to stoop to underhanded means, they have to manipulate, they have to, you know, put on a mask, and it leaves them feeling drained at the end of the day. So unfortunately, there are some people that are still going to be, you know, secretly resentful towards you, secretly trying to compete with you. But it's just because they don't feel as if they can shine whenever you are around. They feel like they are in your shadow. Okay? I feel as if you are on your way to victory and success. You are on your way to gaining the abundance that you desire, that you deserve. Some of you are going to be traveling, is what I'm picking up. And you're going to be expanding. Some of you are going to be expanding in regards to your education, in regards to your friendship circle, in regards to your knowledge, reading more, you know, going to visit maybe temples, mosques, churches. Some of you are not even paying attention to these individuals because you know what the situation is. And I feel like even if these individuals or whoever these people are try to stop and block your flow, it's not going to work. Because again, it's coming up with the Page of Pentacles. There's someone that's still going to want to cling on to some sort of outdated way of being in regards to coming up on top in reference to you. So they're still going to be investing in manipulation, investing in, you know, trying to outsmart you, investing in trying to spy on you, investing in trying to work better than you, investing in trying to gain more adoration, attention, money, whatever the case is. It's so petty, it's so juvenile, it's so boring. But you are at peace with yourself and you are investing in yourself. And for some of you, there will be an investment that you will gain. This could be a pay rise, this could be a new job offer, this could be a commitment, which is going to bring a tower moment to this individual who is still trying to act as if you are not who you really are. Because I feel like this is where it starts from. This person wants to prove to themselves and to others that you are not who you are. And I paused there because I was going to say who you say you are. You've never said you were anything other than yourself. And I don't feel like you say who you are. You just be. You just are. Your authenticity irritates this individual. So there's one person that's going to admit defeat, lay down their batons, could be up to 3 people or whatever the case is, and just, you know, let bygones be bygones. That person may even try to befriend you. That person may just simply focus on their self and their self-growth. And I feel like if that is the case, that person has cleared out some sort of karma for themselves in regards to you. You know, a cycle has been closed. You know, you were supposed to come into this person's life and to trigger them, but they were supposed to learn from you in some way, but they took it in the wrong way and they felt that you were their enemy and they had to defeat you. But something may have occurred in this person's life whereby their energy will shift or has shifted, and they're now looking at you as someone that is not a threat because their focus is on their self-growth. But there is, that person is actually going to be moving forward in healing and letting the situation go, which will clear their karma. Unfortunately, this other person who's still trying to come up against you is going to be met with many tower moments because they're refusing to heal. You know, you are on your way to breaking free from this cycle or whatever the situation was with these individuals. You know, a cycle has ended, and whoever this person is, all these people are who continue or who try to continue this cycle will just be met with a lot of confusion, because I feel like you are very smart. I'm hearing the word street smart. You've outsmarted your enemies. You're on your way to abundance, a happy family life. You are investing in yourself, which will in turn make people then want to invest in you. You could be moving forward towards a romantic situation for some of you, your creativity. You're moving in silence. That's the best way. You're moving forward. You're going to start seeing that all the things that you manifested will come into reality. And those who try to interfere with your destiny